A cancer. Pleural mesothelioma could be a rare cancer typically diagnosed in those who are exposed to high levels of asbestos. The malignancy affects the pleura, a thin membrane of lubricating cells that lines the lungs and chest wall. It sometimes takes 10 years or more for changes to appear that are indicative of pleural disease, and even longer for symptoms to manifest. These differences can include a thickening or calcification of the pleural lining, a condition commonly diagnosed as pleural plaques. Conditions like pleural calcification or the development of pleural plaques often serve as precursors to mesothelioma. In most instances, pleural disease is not considered fatal, but it can cause diminished lung function and may confirm that a person has sustained significant asbestos exposure. Patients diagnosed with pleural conditions are generally considered to be at a higher risk for developing the more severe pleural mesothelioma. Treatment and tumor management. Nearly all patients diagnosed with pleural mesothelioma are able to receive some form of treatment for their illness. While there is currently no cure for mesothelioma, patients have been able to extend initial prognosis through advanced mesothelioma treatment regimens currently being developed at clinics and cancer centers across the United States. Surgical resection is difficult in pleural mesothelioma patients when the disease is diagnosed in later stages because at that time the tumor has typically metastasized to other areas of the body such as the abdominal cavity and lymph nodes. Radiation therapy has been utilized in the treatment of many types of cancer, and pleural mesothelioma is no different. Often, radiation is not able to manage cancer by itself, so it is combined with either surgery, chemotherapy, or both to augment the treatment plan as a whole. Costs associated with pleural mesothelioma treatment. The costs associated with treatment for a pleural mesothelioma diagnosis can be significant. You can also explore your legal rights to compensation from asbestos companies liable for your exposure to asbestos. If you need assistance regarding pleural mesothelioma, please contact